Welcome everyone, we are rearranging our living room, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Jasper, Tony and BIMZ is gonna clean the living room and rearrange everything in it. As you can see, it is a mess. And hi Tony Boo. Tony here trying to help me to redesign our living room. So sit back and relax. This might take a few minutes. There you go. So the TV can stay there, all the karaoke and the surround sound, but this recliner chair, Jasper's recliner and my recliner, I have to move it somewhere. And that couch there, it used to be in that corner there, so I'm moving it here. The table, I'll put it right there in the corner. There's another table that table goes in this corner, and Tony's house has to be moved as well. So there you go, join me. Ayan, map na map tayo. General cleaning po. Yeah. It is time to clean this floor. It's been way overdue. I am using this dump cloth to really clean this floor. You guys, if you wonder, this floor is solid wood bamboo wood. Yes. Once in a while, we do have to strip the rag out, take the rag and clean it. And clean. Again. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. So the floor is really clean now. How about that? case if I miss something, I will do this. This is dry cotton cloth. And so if there's a spot that I miss, I will get rid of that. And this, it's so nice and clean now. Okay. And see. Oh. Okay. I put the rag in the middle of the living room. So since the floor is clean, dry, and polished for the last time, for this year anyway. So let me go get the rag. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned. There you go, finally done putting the rug in the floor, and Tony is also around checking it out. So as you can see, I moved the couch over there in the window side. The piano got to stay in the same corner, and then I got to figure out where to put 4 more chairs. So yep, BIMZ is trying to clean up the living room. Hey Tony. Hi to my viewers, Tony Boo. Alright, that chair, I have to figure out where to put it. 2 visitor chair and 2 recliner, one for me and one for Jasper. So there you are. Welcome to my living room, you guys. To all my new friends, my family, and mga amigos, amigas, welcome to my living room, where for the first time I finally clean it. I'm busy. It's just a busy BIMZ. There you go. Tony finally find his spot in the living room. Of course, it got to be in the middle of the couch. Hello, Tony Boo. You guys, he is my he's part of my channel. He's always in my video. He's an indoor cat. If anybody wants to know. There you go. So you guys, thanks for watching. BIMZ here. Until next time. Love you guys. Bye now.